Decided to take a little stop in the Sunday market in Bao Lac. Haven't seen any other foreigners here, just me, Dany, and our friend Leo, who's eating soup in another part of this wondrous place. A lot of colors, smells, sounds, sights, wonderful people. Just trying to find some fruit for my friend Dany, photographer from Italy. Should stick on right. And Dany's having a great time.
What?
He's having a great time.
Yeah.
He's having a great time taking pictures.
Yeah.
You know, it's all fun and games. I've actually had to carry one of those before I volunteered, and it's extremely heavy. I had so much trouble with it. She makes it look easy. It's my friend Fred with the pots and pans. He's got everything you need. Have to dodge motorbikes left and right. Can't even talk. We're in the northmost point of Vietnam, Vung Cú. It's beautiful. Here with Dany, professional photographer from Italy, Sicily. Taking some snaps top of the mountain. Chatting over here.